Hey, what's up, y'all? So, if you have a receiver or a amplifier for your home theater system, and sometimes they do get hot when they're in the cabinet or some kind of stand that they're on, they do produce a lot of heat. So, what I bought for myself was a AIRCOM cooling system. What it does is takes the heat from out of your receiver and blows it out in the atmosphere in your room or whatever. Just gets the heat away from your equipment. It can either be your receiver or your amplifier. So let's go ahead and open it. There's different models. This is the S model. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what kind it is once I open it. There's different models that blow the air out from the front. Some blow the air out from the back, and some blow the air out from the top. Now, for my setup, it's an open cabinet in the back, but it's not really that spacious like that. So because the wires and the cords and everything is back there, so I just purchased the one that blows the air in the front. Now, my receiver that I'm going to use it on is the Onkyo receiver, and it doesn't really get hot, but I rather not even try to make it even get close to hot, so that's why I purchased this bad boy right here. Now, what's in the box is obviously the power cord. It comes with styrofoam on it. There's a power cord with a styrofoam on it. That's something new. It's a good touch to it. The component cooling system manual. Take a look at that. And this is basically the unit for itself. The unit itself. Get this box out. Now, me myself, I like simplicity, so that's why I bought this one, the simple one. Now they got different ones. Like I said, this is the one that blows the air out from the front. You guys can see right here. They have ones that have the fans on the top, and they have ones that blow the air from the back. So I chose this one over the one with the digital screen, which is the it's another I think it's a S10 or something, I think it is. But like I said, I like simplicity, and I don't really want the logos and stuff in front of it. So I chose this one because all it has is just a blue ring, quite similar to my power conditioner that I have over there. I don't really like big blue lights, with digits and everything in the front. So that's the only difference between. I paid $80 for this. The one with the digital screen is $110 or something like that. So maybe like $40 more. But same components. Everything is still the same. Same fan speed, same decibel meter on the fan. And I think it also has a USB port for you to add more fans. And this is the power port right here. But other than that, they're just identical. It shows you a little instruction right here. If you guys want to see the little instructions what these buttons do. And that's basically it. Just sorry for my handprints and stuff. So it's just the fans that suck the air out of the receiver and carried it to the front. That's basically it. So I'm gonna hook it up and give you guys my thoughts on it so far. But honestly, if you have a receiver that runs hot or an amplifier that runs super hot, you need one of these things. But lucky for me, my Onkyo receiver Doesn't get too hot. I mean, it's warm to the touch, obviously, when I'm watching like hours of movies. But other than that, it just stays cool. But this would certify, keep me at my mind at ease that the receiver is not getting too hot while I'm watching my movies. So that's basically it. This is the AC Infinity. I think it's the S10, if I'm not mistaken, or the S8. One of those. So yeah, basically that's it. Take care. Stay tuned for more videos coming about the final thoughts on this thing, because I already know that I'm gonna keep this thing. New addition to the home theater setup. All right, guys.